Kerala is drowning. Power supply has been cut to avoid electrocution. Drinking water supply hit as Kerala grapples with the worst rain since 1924. The death toll has crossed 100. More than 50 deaths have taken place in the last 2 days. The state struggles to remain afloat, affecting over 2 crore citizens. Lakhs of people have been taken to relief camps. Many others are stuck in their houses even as water level continues to rise. Scarcity of drinking water is rising concern because of lack of electricity in most places. Phones are running out of charge and subsequently reaching out for help is becoming increasingly difficult. There are SOS messages coming from people who are stuck on terraces with water level rising above an entire floor. More than 1.5 lakh people have been evacuated